Okay, I'm going to redo this whatever it's called, dodecahedron thing with voice this time. Snoots, you're right. I should have done voice. I made the video to show you how easy Sketchup is. I should have told you what I was doing to strengthen. Look how easy it is. Okay. Click on the guy, hit delete to get rid of him. I'm sorry, I'm just tired. Also, I just went up the stairs. Oh boy. I live on the second floor here. Ooh, too bad to take those stairs. Every operation that you do in SketchUp displays the parameters of what you're doing down here. You can either do things manually with the mouse or put the numbers in directly. I'm going to be doing mostly the numbers in directly because it's quicker. I'm also going to be using the hotkeys instead of the pull-down menus because it's quicker. But I will definitely narrate what I'm doing. C for circle. Right now, see it's set for 24 sides. I want 5 sides. I want a pentagram. I don't want 3 sides. That's a triangle. See it? I don't want 9 sides. I want 5 sides. We'll just snap it to this point here and size it. How big? About 2 meters? 2 and return. 2 meters. Spacebar. I like to use spacebar in between every operation. Spacebar is pointer mode. I believe if you put it into pointer mode in between your operations, it's much more difficult to ruin things because you won't accidentally be in resize or draw or something. Next step. This thing's going to have 12 identical sides. So rather than make it and then edit each of the 12 sides individually, I'm going to turn this into a component. When an object is a component, you can make multiple copies in your build, multiple copies of that object, and when you edit one, all the other copies of that thing are simultaneously edited. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to have 12 identical sides anyway. Might as well just make one and copy it 11 times, right? So select the whole thing and make a component. I could give it a name, it doesn't matter. Side. Doesn't matter what you call it. Alright, here we go. Next. I need to rotate this object. I need to rotate another copy up against here. You'll grab a hold of it and rotate it on this corner and have 2 of them out this way. So use the rotation tool. Nope, first I'll select it. That's the thing I want to change. Rotation tool. Snap it right there and hit click. See, that's the center of rotation. Now let me think. Nope. Undo, sorry. That's the center of rotation. Not the center here. That is my center of rotation. Click. Now I want to grab this corner and bring it around here. So I'm going to drop a copy and bring this corner to there. I'll do that again. It's really quite simple once you get used to it. That's the thing I want to rotate. That's the center of rotation. This is the thing I want to grab, drop a copy, and snap it right to there. See? Simple. It really is simple. Think about, what do I want to do? And then grab one of the tools and do it. Grab the thing and rotate it, whatever. Now I need to rotate this upward at the angle of a golden rectangle. I'm not sure exactly what a golden rectangle is mathematically, but golden rectangles are built into SketchUp. So R for rectangle. I'm going to start it there, draw it in this direction, and just move this around until it's in golden rectangle proportions. There's one. Golden section. See golden section? And around here should be a square. And somewhere in here. No? Maybe I don't know what a square looks like. Well, anyway, we want a golden rectangle, so yep, there. golden section. I can do squares too. There, that's a square. And that's a golden section. That's what we want. Click. We need this angle here. One of the functions of the measuring tool, besides measuring, see it's 0.76 meters from there to there. It's 1.23 meters from there to there. Well, another function of this is to draw in guidelines. So if I click here and click there, it draws in a guideline on that angle. So that's my guideline. I'll get rid of this. That's my guideline. Now, fancy rotation. That's the piece I want to rotate. Rather than click it there, I'm going to drag the left button to set the axis. I'll do that again. I'm not going to drop it there. I'm just going to put it there, snap it right to that spot, then hold down the left button and choose the axis of rotation. See, it's really straightforward. I want to rotate along this line here. That line right there. That's my angle, my axis of rotation. And I'm going to grab it here and bring it up. Snap it to there. I'll do that one more time. That's the piece I want to rotate. Lay it there and drag it out. Drag it. That's the angle of rotation. Grab it there and snap it to this line. See? Yes, slightly complex at first. Slightly. But once you get the concept, you'll be doing it in a fraction of a second. Now I need to rotate this piece over here. Copy it and drag it and rotate it against this side. So that's the piece I want to rotate, right? This is the center rotation. Click. Grab it in the middle. Right there. See it snap to the middle? Grab it in the middle. Drag it to the middle of that one. Drop a copy behind. Now, 4 times more. 4x. Whatever tool I just used, do that 4 times more. I'll do that again. That's the piece I want to rotate. That's the center rotation. Grab it there, drop a copy. Snap it to there. 4, that's a 3. 4 times 4. Alright, our figure is halfway done. Now comes the fun part. Let me get some room here. Select it all. I want to move upward. I want to move this upward and drop a copy. M for move. Grab it there, move it upward along the blue axis. See it snap to blue? Drop a copy. And about there. Now I want to turn that piece inside out. So scale. Pull it inside out. I want to scale it -1. -1. 100% inside out. -1. Next I need to rotate this whole thing. So this point is lined up. Do I have a crack in there? No. So this point is lined up with this corner. Well, I'll select the whole thing. Select all of that. Cool. Rotation tool. Snap it to the middle. Snap. Grab this corner and line it up with that. Don't line it up with this. Don't line it up with that. Don't line it up with that. Line it up with that. Now the move tool, grab it there and snap it into there. I'll do it again. Select all of that. Rotation. That's, come on. Snap to the middle, will you? That's the center of rotation. See it there? I'm off center. Try it again. Oh, I didn't pull it inside out. Went back too far. Okay. That's the spot of rotation right there. Why is it not snapping? Let me try this again. There. Snap it to the intersection. See it? Grab that point and rotate it even with here. Then, move tool, grab it there and snap it to that corner. There we go. There's the dodecahedron. Pretty straightforward, huh? Just grab the tool you need and figure out what you need to do with it. Now, since we made all of these components, 12 identical objects, we'll edit this one and everything else will match. Offset. I'm going to draw an offset line about 0.2 meters would be good. 0.2. And see, the same thing happens to all the other copies. Push pull. Even with this corner. Nope, this corner. Not here. Not that one. Not that one. Even with that one. And let's make the star. Well, actually, yeah, let's make the star. Let's make the star. We want to draw a line. A line. From here, see it snap to position? There to... No, the bottom part. That one. From here to... there. From there to here. From here to there. And from there to that one. Okay, eraser. We don't need this line, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. Push pull, even with here. Not there, not there, not there, not there, not there. No, that's kind of cool. Even with this, even with here. Even with this point right there. See it? Click. Alright, time to texture it. I usually you can load textures into here and use the actual textures, but I like to put temporary textures on in Sketchup and then put the real ones on in World. So now, attention Blender people, we're going to texture / UV map simultaneously. You don't have to UV map it, slice it, lay it out. It's all automatic in SketchUp. So I will use this default wood. Put a star. Let's see how that looks. That's not bad. Actually, I prefer to put it here. Do something else with a star. Actually, I prefer to use this for the star. Yes, SketchUp is that easy. Imagine right now the Blender people are going, yeah, I'm UV mapping it. I'm texturing and simultaneously UV mapping it. Alright, to be fair, the UV maps that SketchUp creates are horrible, but they do work. Actually, they're a good match for virtual worlds. By happy coincidence. That's there. I guess we're pretty much done. That looks pretty good to me. What do you think? Oh, I'm going to take it all. I'm going to take it all the way to the actual upload into virtual world. Now we're in SketchUp 2017. Versions of SketchUp higher than 7 have a problem with the DAE file. If I were to export this in DAE in a version of SketchUp higher than 7, it would be broken into pieces. Each one of these star faces would be a separate piece. Each one of these edges here would be a different piece, and there might be a piece that consists of that edge, and that's random garbage. We need to filter this through SketchUp 7. The SketchUp 7 exports one-piece meshes. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to save it as, let's put it on the desktop. I'll call it Star Ball. Here's the trick. Save as type. Save it as a SketchUp 7 formatted SketchUp object. Where is it? Here it is. Now we go into SketchUp 7. And yes, I could have done this entire thing in SketchUp 7, yes. It could have been SketchUp 7 straight front to back. But I did it in 2017, whatever. Open. Starball. Okay, now we export it for real. It's a one-piece mesh, not random broken up pieces. File, export 3D model. A small problem, SketchUp 7 only knows Google Earth format, but that's not really a problem at all. Stick with me for a moment. It's not a problem at all because the KMZ file is a zip. It's a standard zip with a different extension. Back. ZIP. So extract it. And inside here you will find the textures. And inside here you will find a one-piece DAE to be uploaded into World.